In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this amazing portfolio website for yourself. This is an incredible website that you can create easily, free of cost, within just 2 minutes. Let's get started. First, go to lovable.dev and enter your prompt there. To create the perfect prompt, go to ChatGPT and type, "I want to make a portfolio website using lovable.dev. I am a web developer, so what type of information do I need to create a portfolio website? Give me prompt ideas." Then provide all your personal information and create your perfect prompt. Next, the website will start processing. Let's wait a few minutes. Once it's ready, check to ensure all your information is correct. If you need to make any changes or additions, just type the prompt for the specific part you want to change and wait again. To publish the website, click the button on the right corner, type your domain name, and once everything looks perfect, click Continue. Then click Publish. After publishing, you'll be able to see your website live. Now your website is live and you can view it anytime using the link provided. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.